हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम इन आवर चैनल एग्ज़ाम शेडो। हमारी टेस्ट सीरीज़ डिस्कशन की जो वीडियोस हैं वो कंटिन्यू है और इसी सीरीज़ में वी आर ब्रिंगिंग टेस्ट डिस्कशन ऑफ न्यू टेस्ट एंड ये टेस्ट है इंडियन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल का। इसके क्वेश्चन हम आप आज डिस्कस करेंगे अराउंड 15 क्वेश्चंस। ये जो टेस्ट है ये हमारे टेस्ट सीरीज़ का पार्ट है। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द डिस्कशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, which of the following were the new feature visible in the Quit India movement 1942? Okay, statements are large scale movements in some of the industrial areas. 2, large scale mass involvement in some of the princely states. Number 3, increase in the activities of the Kisan Sabha. Select the correct answer using the code given below. And options are A 1 2 3, B 1 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 3 only. Correct answer is C, which is 1 and 3. Okay, so 1 and 3, statement 1 and 3 are correct. Question number 2. During the civil disobedience movement, tribals in Chota Nagpur statements are gave up opium consumption, 2 wore khadi, 3 gave up drinking liquor and eating meat. Which of the following is correct? A 1 and 3, B 1 only, C 1 2 and 3, D 2 and 3. And correct answer is D 2 and 3 only. Means they wore khadi and they gave up drinking liquor and eating meat. Question number 3, the salt satyagrah called by Mahatma Gandhi saw the number 1 violation of salt laws along coastal India, 2 participation of women, 3 upward swing when it came to the working class joining in. And correct options are options given are 1 and 3 only, B 2 only, C 1 and 2 only, and D 1 and 2 and 3. Correct answer is C 1 and 2. It means during salt satyagrah, which is also called Dandi March. Okay, salt satyagrah started with Dandi March, right? So what it was seen that violation of law along coastal India. Yes, then Dandi is that area. Second, participation of women. Okay, and this is not correct. Third one is not correct. Question number 4. Which colonial administrator made the following declaration about the partition of Bengal in 1904? And what is the statement? Bengal united is a power, Bengal divided will pull in different ways. That is perfectly true and one of the merits of the scheme. Okay, so options are A Lord Curzon, B H.H. Risley, C Lord Minto, D Sir Lancelot Hare. And correct answer is B H.H. Risley. Okay, Lord Curzon was the one who was responsible for the division of Bengal in 1905. Okay, Lord Curzon. But this statement was made by H.H. Risley. Question number 5. Why was Mahatma Gandhi interested in making Hindustani the national language of India? Choose the correct option. A. People from South India also approved of it. B. It was related with Devanagari script. C. It was multicultural language suited for multicultural country and was considered as the language of the common people. D. Both A and B. And the correct option is C. C means this one. Okay. Question number 6. Identify the immediate reason of launching the Quit India movement by Gandhiji against the British rule. And the options are Cabinet Mission, Cripps Mission, C. Simon Mission, D. Mountbatten Plan. And the correct answer is Cripps Mission. Okay, Cripps Mission, which came in India. Cabinet Mission is the final mission which came and which decided the formation of constituent assembly and interim government. Okay. Question number 7. Consider the following ideas regarding the national language carefully. Number 1. It should be Hindustani, which should neither be Sanskritized Hindi nor Persianized Urdu, but a blend of both Hindi and Urdu. 2. It should not admit words from other different languages. 3. The national language must develop into rich and a powerful instrument capable of expressing the thoughts and feeling of the people. 4. It could unify Hindus and Muslims and people of the north and the south. Find out which of these ideas were advocated by Mahatma Gandhi. And correct answer is C 1, 3 and 4. Okay, 1, 3 and 4. So this second number is not advocated by Gandhi. What is second number? It should not admit words from different language. Now it is it's already, it looks like a very negative statement. Question number 8. Gandhi ji's call for breaking salt laws was in response to A. Non-cooperation movement, B. Civil disobedience movement, C. Khilafat movement, D. Quit India movement. And the correct answer is civil disobedience movement. Okay. So in response to civil disobedience movement, Gandhi ji gave call for breaking the salt laws. Question number 9. Study the following statement carefully. I believe separate electorates will be suicidal to the minorities and will do them tremendous harm. If they are isolated forever, they can never convert themselves into a majority, and feeling of frustration will cripple them even from the very beginning. Who among the following made the above statement? A. Dr. Ambedkar, B. Pandit Jawaharlal, C. Govind Vallabh Pant, D. Sardar Patel. Correct answer is C. Govind Vallabh Pant. Question number 10. Which one among the following statements regarding the Government of India Act 1935 is not correct? Not is the keyword here. A. Provincial autonomy came into existence. B. Bicameral legislature were provided in 6 provinces. C. The principle of communal electorates and weightage were further extended. D. States were compelled to enter the federation. No, this is not correct. Okay, states, basically princely states. Princely states, they were given the choice, not compelled. They were given the choice, and finally they did not accept, and this federation did not come to existence after Government of India Act 1935. Question number 11. Why did the cabinet mission came to India in 1946? Choose the suitable reason from the following options. A. To expand the participation of Britishers in the legislature. B. To introduce diarchy at the legislative level. C. To suggest a suitable political framework for the free India. D. Provide a federal code to the Indians. Correct answer is C. To suggest a suitable political framework for free India. Okay. Question 12. Assertion. The Congress party never accept the two-nation theory when forced against its will to accept partition. Reason. India is a land of many religions and races and must remain so. Study the above assertion and reason and find out which one is the correct. And the correct answer is C. Both A and R are true, but R is correct explanation of A. Okay. Yes, it seems true, and this is the reason explanation of also. Question 13. Consider the following events. Cabinet mission. Second one is objective resolution in Constituent Assembly. Government of India Act 1935. The Great Calcutta Killing. The correct set them in correct chronological order, and correct answer is B, which is third. Third means this came first, है the Government of India Act, then second, first one is cabinet mission, so this is second, then fourth one is the Great Calcutta Killing, this is third event, and fourth one is objective resolution. Okay, so it is so clear 1935, then cabinet mission came, okay, during 1945 or 6, right? Then objective resolution, which is given this Great Calcutta Killing, it's direct, is it also called direct action day? It was announced by Jinnah in 1946. Okay, and then finally objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly was given by Jawaharlal Nehru. So this is the chronological order. Question number 14. Which one of the following statements was not justified reason for the annexation of Awadh by British in 1857? A. Wajid Ali Shah was unpopular ruler. B. Subsidiary alliance system was accepted by Wajid Ali Shah at ease. C. Mangal Pandey initiated the revolt from Awadh. And D. Material benefit were given to the Talukdars by British. What question is saying? Following statement was not a justified reason. And correct answer is A. Wajid Ali Shah was unpopular ruler. No, this is not justified reason given by British. All other is justified. Okay. Question number 15. Consider the following statement regarding the census conducted by British in 19th century in India. Statement 1 is saying the growth of cities was monitored through census. 2. Municipal corporation was to administer it. 3. Census operation were appropriated as social data was easily converted to economic data. And the correct answer is A, 1 and 2 only. Okay, 1 and 2 is correct. So this is a factual in nature. This question you have to just remember these two facts. Okay, these two facts. So my dear friends, here is the end of the video. We have discussed 15 question as promised. Okay, and this is the part of our test series for ASIC Deputy Director. If you want to avail test series, go to our portal examshadow.com and apply code for 40% discount. The code is officer 40. Okay, this is the code. I will also give you my contact number. If you want further discount, then you can contact me on the given number. Thank you very much.